In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use plugins in Figma. Plugins are small tools that extend what Figma can do, helping you work faster, clean up layers, generate content, or hand off designs more smoothly. We'll keep this simple and practical, following a clear path so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, open the Figma website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your work. Once you're in, open your page. In Figma, your designs live inside files, and each file can have multiple pages. Choose the file and then the specific page where you want to work with plugins, so any plugin you open will apply to the right canvas. Next, look for actions. At the top of the Figma interface, you'll see the search style bar, often referred to as quick actions. Click that. This is a powerful launcher that lets you quickly find commands, features, and, importantly, plugins without digging through menus. When you open actions, you'll notice results grouped by type, which keeps things organized and easy to scan. Now click Plugins. Inside the Actions panel, you'll see a section labeled Plugins. This is your central place to view the plugins available to you and to search for the exact tool you need. If you already know the name, start typing it and it should appear in the list. If you're not sure what you need, try a keyword like icons, lorem ipsum, or color contrast and check the suggestions that appear. Selecting an item from this list will open the plugin right inside Figma, usually as a panel or modal so you can use it without leaving your design. A few tips as you search. Make sure you're on the correct page and layer if a plugin expects a selection. Many plugins look at what you have selected to decide what to do. If nothing shows up under plugins, confirm you're inside an open design file rather than the home screen, since actions will show more options when a file is active. And if a plugin asks for permissions, just review the prompt and continue so it can work properly. That's all there is to it. Open the Figma website, open your page, click Actions, then click Plugins to see and search for the tools you need. With this workflow, you'll be able to quickly find and launch plugins right when you need them, keeping your focus on designing while letting plugins handle the busy work.